Hi everyone, this is an Asec Euro cylinder. Don't have a key for it, but it is 5 pins. Using this piece of bar as my tension wrench. None of my standard wrenches will fit this keyway. I think it's quite worn and they just slip round. I'm going to use the little known rear of keyway tension. Just holding that in with my middle finger and tensioning with the index finger. I pick using this go-so slight hook. Start at the back. And 5. Pin 4. Again a pin 3. That's it picked open. Tension wrench at the back won't go around, but you can see it's picked open. Yeah, I would imagine that's all standard pins in there. It's a pretty easy pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.